Welcome to Japan, the most ecologically diverse country in the world. It's a jungle out here. Seriously, it's a jungle. Have a look-see.
Welcome to Pop Hell. This is where you belong. In the blue light TVs, an insatiable throng.
So you want to get away from it all? Leave the crowds, the smoke, and the rat race of the city behind? You can't do much better or farther away than here, the Iriomote monsoon. When my Japanese friends described their childhood summer camps to me, this place is pretty much it. And these hammocks on the terrace are one pina colada and a half coconut shell shy of my childhood dream of a tropical island.
Welcome to Pop Hell, enjoy your stay. Take your time, you can do what you like. Trade your shovels for industrial life. It's Pop Hell, welcome to Pop Hell. Can't you smell the sulfur? Another day just well. For all the programmers and gophers, now they got you in line. Got the pen in your hand. You can just
This is the Pinaisara Otaki on Iriomote-jima in Okinawa. It's the tallest waterfall in the prefecture. Height, at least 30 meters. And this is also the termination point for the jungle kayaking and jungle trekking adventure course. It doesn't get any better than this. You've got to find yourself here.
I didn't know half-day adventuring came this big. Come in the summertime and you can take a shower in the Pinaisara Otaki and swim in the pool at its base. Come for monsoon's full day tour and climb to the top of the falls for unobstructed views of Iriomote-jima and the ocean. Right now it's time to paddle back to monsoon for a shower and a home-cooked dinner. See ya!
welcome to Pop